We got one that doesn't fit in the studio. It's an 85 Chevy K10 Blazer. It's updated with an LS3 crate motor, overdrive trans, vintage air. Has about $67,000 in restoration receipts. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 collector cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one, along with all the descriptions, photos, finance information. And there's a QR code on the screen. You can scan at any time. It'll bring you directly to this vehicle, or there's a link in the description. But for right now, I guess let's check it out. So we're up front here. It's obviously got a chrome brush guard or bumper, whatever you want to call it, with some off-road lights. Just gives it that cool four-wheel drive vibe. Custom tubular grille. The bumper looks to be in good condition. And it has a metal cowl hood. And this, all the bodywork and paint is fresh. There's only 900 miles on the truck since it's been redone. We have pictures of the whole front end off of it. So there's no rust. All beautiful, clean panels. Look at all the way down to the bottom of the fender. It's a mirror finish. Beautiful metallic gray finish. Bottom of the door. The bottom of the rocker there, all nice and clean. The gaps are all real nice. Jambs are painted nice. Under the door is clean. Weather strips were replaced. Shuts nice and solid. The factory mirrors, obviously a little step plate, which you need. It's got a 6-inch lift kit on it. All clean quarter panels. The hardtop was restored, painted to match the truck, obviously. The seals are all good. The glass looks good. Tail light lenses are probably new. The rear bumper looks like it might have been replaced, although there's a couple grinder marks on it. Tailgate is in excellent shape. It has the electric window that goes down. The bottom of the tailgate's clean, so it flips down. The windows are tinted. Coming around to this side, just as nice as the other side. They did an excellent job with the body and paint. All this is nice and clean and smooth. Got a little blue pinstripe matching the blue interior. So again, all this is real nice here. Jambs are real nice. So the body and paint is excellent. Behind the front fenders here, it looks like it went through a little puddle, but other than that, you can see it's all fresh, all spotless. The windshield has been replaced. The seal around it looks real good. Now the tires, they're Mickey Thompson Baja Legend. Let's see if I can find the size with polished aluminum wheels. These are all new. They're 35 by 12, 50 R15s. So new tires and wheels. All right, let's get it opened up and we'll continue the tour. All right, so we actually have the receipt and the sticker is still on the engine block. This is a brand new crate engine, LS3, 6.2 liter, making 420 horsepower. All aluminum engine, roller cam, all the factory stuff it comes with. Stainless steel headers. So that's a $12,000 or $13,000 engine. It has a vintage air conditioning system. The engine bay is cleaned up nicely. It's got a billet overflow bottle for the aluminum radiator, which has dual electric fans. Looks like a custom cold air intake. Power steering, serpentine belt, power brakes. Looks like the wiper motor's new. So yeah, nice to see a crate LS3, not out of a junkyard. It's a crate motor. Let's check out the interior. It's a nice looking blue interior. Goes with the exterior really well, I think. So the door panels were replaced, and the armrest and the window handles there. Door handles got power locks. Then it has custom set of gauges in the dash. That's also a custom steering wheel. It was just put on. Yeah, it is a tilt column. I had to jump in to see. Retro stereo was just installed. Upgraded controls. They're electric slides to go with the modern air. couple holes were drilled in here at one time. Dash pad looks new. A lot of the vents are new. Carpet on the floor is replaced. Then you switch it to four-wheel drive right there. The seats have been reupholstered. Nice bucket seats. It has the matching rear seat here, reupholstered as well. And if we look up at the headliner and visors, there's a little gash in the visor, but the headliner looks like it's been replaced. Dome light works. All right, let's go check out the tailgate. Your tailgate parties. So this has the power window. You use the key, puts the window down, then you reach in and then you open it. It was all painted up nice. Carpet on the floor is new. The side carpet looks to be original. If you look in at the removable top, it looks to be in good shape too.
Absolutely ridiculous, but I love everything about it. That is quite the potent exhaust. If they don't see you coming, they'll definitely hear you coming. Got the mini monster truck here. I do like the fact that they have the step here to help me get in. I'm about 5'9", and that comes in very handy. Let's see what she's got. All right. We're doing just over 60 miles an hour. That was nothing for this LS3 crate. I wasn't even halfway in the throttle. I can't imagine the exhaust at full throttle. But yeah, what a commanding presence. You want to be king of the road? This is the one for you. So much fun. One heck of a time. Bring the whole family with too. Inside is huge. Want to come take it for a spin? You're always more than welcome here at the museum. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So this has a Rough Country 6-inch lift on it. New springs, says Rough Country right on it. See some nuts and bolts and cotter pins have been replaced. As the Rough Country premium shocks. It's like braided brake hoses. They're disc in front. When you look up at the motor, it's all aluminum. It's a high torque starter. The transmission is a 4L60E. It's an electronic overdrive trans that has been rebuilt. New dual exhaust with MagnaFlow stainless steel mufflers. And in back it has blocks to raise it up, and it has the Rough Country shocks. Fuel tank has been replaced. And the floors are really dry and solid under this one. So go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, like how to get your Blazer K10 with the LS3 delivered to your door. Thanks for watching.